This is live action Kyle News now, reporting from Oregon City, reporting on breaking news about a horrible blizzard that has killed nearly billions, if not trillions of people. To report on this issue is Kyle Ellis. Over to you, Kyle.
As you can see, there's been a severe blizzard, and billions, if not trillions of people have died. It is a tragedy, and will never be forgotten. A survivor, one of many few. God bless their souls. Luckily, I have this warehouse to sleep in, stay away from the blistering cold. Oh look, poor people just died. It really is a shame. A survivor. Hope he doesn't die. Footprints. Alien footprints. More. We're following them. This is live action. They're going. Where are they going? We follow these footprints, we begin to think, are these aliens, are these human? What are they? We don't know. Will we ever? We maybe not. What we do know is that I am one of only 100 survivors, and I'm not gonna just let the human race die right now. No, not on my watch. This is Kyle. Maybe my last words. I might die tomorrow. I really don't know. I really don't know. I could be dead with hypothermia in the next 2 minutes. I could be alive for the next 500 years. I can't predict this. This is like unpredictable shit. I just think what's gonna happen when it snows 500 more feet in the next 5 hours. I don't want to think about that. It depresses me. I just don't want to think about it. See this? This used to be a child orphanage. In the snow, it was so cold, it burned down the place. Yes, it was so cold it burned it down. And now all those homeless children, they died. Close to 5 billion children were in here. All dead. I could have saved them. I would have lost my own life though. What's more important, homeless children or me? Obviously it was me. There's another survivor. One of few. I should go back to the warehouse before an abominable snowman comes after me and I die. I already escaped the fate of the beginning of the blizzard, and I don't want to end my life with an abominable snowman. So, this is Kyle signing out. Hopefully, I'll talk to you again.
Thank you, Kyle, for your update on the breaking news of the blizzard in Oregon City. We will keep you updated with facts and news reports about this horrible blizzard. So, stay tuned. Signing out, Bob Monaghay. Good night, America. Live action Kyle News! Don't forget it!